feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today I am bringing you not one but two makeup tutorials. I am collabing with beautiful girl from Georgia, and her name is Diana. We are bringing you not one but two makeup tutorials inspired for these upcoming holidays, since the holidays are right around the corner and we want you to be ready. And this is the makeup look she prepared for you guys. Make sure to go check it out how she did it. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel and to the video in my description box. Make sure to go show her some love and let her know that you're coming from my channel. And without much rambling, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Let's learn together, exploring together, test together a lot of makeup products. And if you want to see how I did this makeup look today, then keep on watching. And the first thing first, we're going to prime our face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. To minimize my pores, I'm using the Professional from the Benefit, the primer. The oily skin girls out there, one of the tricks to make your skin last longer is to, on top of your primer, to apply a little bit of powder, but not too much. So what I do is just slightly powder it in the area where I get oily the most. For the foundation, I'm going to mix these two today. The Maybelline 24 Hours and the Born This Way from Too Faced. One is a nude and the other one is a porcelain, and we're going to create our perfect shade. And with my 3DHD Sigma blender, I'm going to apply it on my face. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using a Deep Brow Pomade E-Bunny from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For the eye primer today, I'm going to be using Born This Way Multi Sculpt Concealer. For the look today, I'm going to be using the Sigma Viper Collection. And for the transition color, I'm gonna go in with the shade Adder. I'm going to be applying it all over my crease with slow wiping shield type of motion, just packing it in there. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use a Naked Cosmetics, the holographic highlight collection. I'm going to go in with this color, and with my Sigma EO4, I'm going to go and highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to cut the crease with my Sigma E62 brush and the same Too Faced concealer I used as a primer earlier. And I'm going to top it with this shade right here. Then I'm going to go back in with my Sigma E30 and the Adder. For the eyeliner today, I am going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner. And on top of the white, I decided to add a little extra, so we're going to put NYX glitter, silver glitter, and I'm going to glue it with the NYX glue. Ideally it would have been to put the glitter first and then do the eyeliner, but we'll make it work. Alright, Now we gotta real quick fix where the eyeliner goes. There we go. Ideally would be to do the glitter first and then the eyeliner, but that's okay. For the mascara today, I am using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For the eyelashes today, I'm using the Revive Dramatic eyelashes. To conceal my face today, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in 15 concealer. Let's set everything up, and I'm setting today with the Milani Cosmetics Powder Golden Beige. To contour today, I'm using Sigma Sculpt and Highlight palette. And I'm gonna go with the Faking Tan, and with my Sigma F37, I'm going to apply it and a little bit on my forehead, under my chin, hiding that double chin. For the blush, I'm going to be using Corde Rosa from a Sigma blush palette. You gotta be really careful with this one because it's very pigmented. Like, that is pigmented. For the highlight, I'm going to go back into a Sigma Sculpt highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to use it Shine On. I'm going to apply my highlighter with a Sigma F03. For the under eye, I'm gonna go back with Adder. A little bit of mascara on the lower lashes, and we are almost done. And of course, to complete the look, we need a lipstick. And today I'm going to be using the red. I think the red lip would look really nice with this look. So my lip choice today is Sigma Liquid Lipstick in the shade Venom. Lately, I've been obsessed with a Glimmer Veil from Kat Von D, and today I'm going to top it with the shade Dazzle. I'm absolutely obsessed with this combination. Isn't this beautiful? And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Give me a big like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Until then, I'll see you on my next one soon. I love you guys. Bye.